Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate two Facebook accounts in one Android device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there tap on search icon, and in search bar just enter Dual to find Dual Messenger. If you can't find Dual Messenger in that way, type there clone or something like that. The name of this feature depends on what exact Android device you have. I have Samsung. In Samsung it calls Dual Messenger. Select that and now tap on Dual Messenger again, and there I'm able to create clone of any my messages. So I'll select Facebook, just toggle on and confirm it by tapping on install. Now second copy of Facebook was successfully installed. I can check that. Just open my app library and here I see the second copy of Facebook with that orange circles, and if I scroll for a little I can find the first copy of Facebook application. Here is it. That's the first and that's the second. So now I can open the second copy of Facebook to enter in another account in that copy. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.